In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Bluehost discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search a Bluehost discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to this website, glamour.com, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're there, you're gonna see many coupon codes. So for example, the first one is apply this code to get a 50% off select plans at Bluehost. So you can click on show coupon, and that's the coupon code right there. Welcome back. So all you have to do is copy the code and then click visit the store. So once you click on that, that's gonna redirect you to their website, and then you can choose whatever plan you want and use this code while purchasing it to get a 50% discount. There are other codes as well. So for example, apply this code to get a 35% off select Windows server. So if you're purchasing a Windows server at Bluehost, you can apply this coupon code right here, FastWin35. You can copy and use this code at checkout to get a chance at getting 35% off. So there are many other coupon codes. For example, a 10% off your order. This is a coupon code, welcome one. There's a 75% off. That's an ongoing deal, so you can directly go to their website and claim that if you want. So there are many more deals as well. So let's say I'm gonna go with this one, save up to 50% off new plans. So I'm gonna click show, and then as you guys can see, that says continue to the deal, so that's gonna take me to their website. So yeah, so that's it for the promo codes. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.